Tiffy2, welcome to Tiffy Cooks. This is a family recipe I wanted to show you. It makes the best gourmet cookies. Let's jump into it. Alright, let's get into it. A little bit of flour. 1 egg.
Hey, Mom made pancakes.
More. A little bit of white chocolate chips. Alright, don't forget the spoon. And let's wrap it in a little bit of aluminum foil, you know? Give it that nice crispy taste, you know? Alright, now you should have been preheating your microwave to 20 minutes. I forgot, so I'm gonna do that now. Alright. And start it. Alright, wait 20 minutes for it to finish. Guys, there's 3 seconds left. It's about to finish. These are gonna look so good when they come out. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see it. Extra crispy, how I like it. Oh. These are so mouth-watering and delicious, guys.